Hi guys, Nick here from Technology Lowdown. Today we're looking at the Hiluk NVR108MH 8 Porter, which is basically a network video recorder from Hikvision, who are renowned for their security products. So this NVR, it features compatibility with H.264, H.265 in terms of encoding, and it will also power the PoE security cameras that I connect to it. It also can be upgraded to an 8 terabyte hard drive. This one particular unit that I have here came with a 2 terabyte hard drive installed. But basically, Hiluk, it's a product which is from Hikvision, who are known for high-performance video surveillance equipment. But this product is designed to be a low-price security solution, but not sacrificing reliability and ease of use. So this product, it should be high performance and reliable quality, and it's a very attractive price compared to what you would usually pay for a Hikvision security solution. So this is just some specs of this NVR. So it is 8 IP cameras can be connected to it. It can record 8 streams at one time. It can record to a hard drive. It backs up to a USB. It doesn't back up to the cloud. So that is something which would need to be implemented in a custom manner. It can connect directly to a monitor for viewing. I think it's a 100M port on this switch. It doesn't actually list it here by the looks of it, but 100M would be fine for an 8 port anyway. We've got one channel at 8 megapixel, 4 channels at 1080. So yeah, basically it should be a fully spec'd unit, and it'll be compatible with the camera which I was showing you guys just the other day on my last video. So let's get straight into this unboxing and see how it goes. Alright, so it's in quite a nice box here. It is branded with Hiluk. When we get into the box here, we've got your network cable. It's Cat5e most likely. Yeah, Cat5e. We've got the design network video recorder quick start guide, and in the back here we have got another little guide. So yeah, we have the digital network video recorder quick user guide and the quick start guide. So they're available. You can also get those online, so you don't necessarily need that. We've got an Australian power cable in this box. We have got a mouse for connecting to the NVR. And we've got a 48 volts PoE power injector, which is to power the actual unit itself. I'll just open this mouse up too so we can have a closer look at that one. So yeah, it's a pretty stock standard mouse, swivel wheel in the middle and left and right click. Alright, so let's open up this NVR unit now. It's packaged in foam, so the unit is pretty secure and snug in there. Alright, so if you look at the packaging, it's in a plastic bag here. Just open it up at the side. Okay, so here is the network video recorder from Hiluk. We see that we've got this plastic protector that we can peel off the front. We have got a USB port here, and we've got a power status light there. We've got a hard drive activity light and a network activity light. And this last one here looks to be an IR receiver. Have a USB port there for plugging in, USB for getting recordings off this, or you could probably plug your mouse in there. If we just spin this one around, see what we've got at the back. We have 8 PoE capable network ports, which are 100M, these ones. We have an audio in and an out port. We have a connection for a VGA monitor, HDMI for your monitor if you have a HDMI monitor, power input. We've got LAN, not sure if that's gigabit or 100M, and we have another USB port here. Whether you want to plug a mouse or keyboard into there, you could do either or. So we have the power button right there as well. So the actual size of this unit is quite compact. It's smaller than a network rack. There doesn't look to be the ability to network rack it. You could probably sit it on a shelf, but at the sides there is definitely no ability to rack it without a shelf. In terms of size, if I place this power cable here, which is just curled up, we can see that the unit is pretty much the same size as the power cable. And that completes the unboxing of the Hillock NVR108 MHC8 port. So I hope that video has been helpful in helping you understand what the Hillock NVR will offer to you if you choose that as an NVR solution for your security needs. I will be posting future videos on how this NVR goes once I've implemented it, and hopefully it goes relatively well. I did complete a fair bit of research before finally selecting the Hillock brand. I did look at Swan and a couple of other ones such as Uniden, but I found that they were too probably consumer oriented. I wanted something a bit more robust with more testing in the real world. So hopefully this NVR solution goes well. If this video has been helpful to you, please like it. If you would like to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.